Britain. Antonio Menini is the papal ambassador to the UK, where he gives his credentials to the British monarch Queen Elizabeth II. Nigel Baker, the UK ambassador to the Holy See, speaks on being one of the first countries to establish diplomatic relations in 1914, where he also gives his credentials to Pope Francis I. What about Islam? She is viewed as a menace to the world, according to the press. But Avra Manhattan, whose level of scholarly journalism is hard to come by today, it's clear that the papacy had her under her radar after the Second World War. In 1947, the Muslim East made its first official approach to the Vatican. Egypt exchanged representatives to the Pope and sent to Rome a minister plenipotentiary. Other Muslim countries, example Syria, the Lebanon, Iran, followed Egypt's example, and soon even those Muslim lands which had not yet officially exchanged diplomats were unofficially in close touch with Rome. Habib al-Sadr is a Shiite Muslim and has been Iraq's ambassador to the Holy See since 2010. In exchange, Monsignor Giorgio Lingua is the papal nuncio or ambassador to Iraqi Kurdistan, where the papacy's influence is covertly felt in diplomatic circles. Iran was one of the first Islamic states to establish diplomatic links. Iran also has its ambassador to the papacy, and the papacy also has its ambassador to Iran. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi strengthened diplomacy between Egypt and the Holy See, as Egypt was the first Islamic state after the Second World War to do so. When the Pope visited Turkey, it was not just to strengthen ties with the Eastern Orthodox Church, but to win the hearts of that predominantly Muslim population, where he is received well by one of its top imams as well as its leader. The King of Jordan, Abdullah II, not only received the Pope in his homeland and asked him to help solve the wars in the Middle East, but he is also received in the Vatican, where he absolutely just praises the Pope. Saudi Arabian politician Faisal bin Abdul Rahman Bil Mumar is the Secretary General of the King Abdullah Center for Interreligious and Intercultural Dialogue. He strengthens interreligious dialogue with the Saudi government and the papacy. And Yahya Palavadici, the Imam of the Al-Walid Mosque in Milan, Italy, and President of the Islamic Religious Community of Italy and Counselor for the relations with the Vatican and Italy, also strengthens close ties with the Holy See, better known as the papacy.
Right, because I can't say Wake Up Africa, which my on Facebook or grab search for RTVGH, on Facebook live over here. Sasuna me mawanya nti say sorry nkonya so a woko YouTube and so ubinya hwe grab search for Wake Up Africa GH, Wake Up Africa GH or YouTube and so obetumi enya ahwe obe subscribe obe share na Facebook me notification bell no so bread be tumbia no na wonsa atumi aka. Over video here me wonsa mfu amiensa pene bisa wo. Dedi kan Francis your name yankasa into me say ewiase nyina wi yi mu no esine na so de ne no na mo no tu eyi no ye baako de to su mi no anka wo ye esom kandini adenti ana manyofo mototoro nyina man panifo nyinara obi aba keso kɔ na so kɔkye no de to so emiensa Christians any Islamic for you. Oma mi so mu no de nkehye da omontem pa. Esi den na afi so wi asinkram fo mpanifo so ko Christian yi so nchen akwakokia no. Of amensem yes am bi sawa na fo to asem so man.
De twa to. Anye bi kura. Cardinals no omoko to aba.
Yes.
Omo di yi pope. Omo ya aware of aduma.
Obeye.
Obabe.
Okay.
Ene de mi Ghana down so
okay.
Omo ni pa.
Okay.
Enti no so omo nim dia na se enya obi a wo enipa how na say nipa kuma na say dey enya dey
yeah money dey enya
oya because until you as the first Jesuit priest because Jesuit
that's a history
we dey be no money
ena meka me bia ka Jesuit asem no ha na ebusa me say papa we enya bia no o body gas because also mutimi bas painters o mutimi bas cleaners mutimi bas carpenters bebre eso na we Jesuit no nam
njo mo eni enso
before you see I saw
one of the media to me you back with you and also second one
adam bi say e ba de say ana friend say nkramofo e be ka son community Christopher de e kwadam parallel line o nam so na nkramofo nyina e ko pope ayinim so Christian so na
yeah mama mfa ayi na me kan bibi ti say ye di kan no e den na din Jesus Christ no ko e be wura program
okay and so another issue
me ka kire o say obi ani e friend warako anu ye Khadija ne cousin ono be ye
yes
commissioner special advisor ona no trotro
on so the background
e ba ye Korean on the Roman
yes
ana nkramofo say wo munji o mu friends e isa na
anabi isa
wo munji didi pa ana pop so say anabi isa no ono ya ni nam sini wa asase so
okay isa mu jini didia
wa asase na mu jini didia
mu jimi sundi
why not me
okay
and for say political leader
yes
holy see and in diplomatic relations there won't mean see me kwan say me ya sorry nti
yes
o me ye nkrabokuru nti me ma kwan ma o me
okay
and the international law kra e ma say na obetumi
right
and also third one
no e bisa say adentina wiase aman panifo nyina se ka sofo de oto ba bi ana yeso ye chechere ye man but wiase man pani bia kanifo bia head of state bia je so kone na
so who say in the Middle Ages no na Vatican to me and no work o yo hene kura na di boni o si me excommunicate
yes
we ka we so afira yi na wonna mukoto bia ni mo pa chewo to me na enko yo afre kura na beba onya ni big status no a we are head of state we are minister
yes so na ba be world
leader and we are head of state we grow one what are we are regional minister MP because yeah baby as you say be ko global governance system sa pepe na ya ma mi ka
yes
be no afem ni time kakra ezeze mi didi ho na me hanu
na time ni bubu
na UN agenda 2030 Vatican Ababe Council they are behind it one be making sure say they are successful in 2015 Pope Francis called UN who address here na kan one of the major statements no na o ya kire UN assembly enti na no o ma ji atum say etechi they be making sure say they are successful enti anya World Economic Forum Klaus Schwab any woman can say oh yeah the great reset
yes
but therefore so etechi and we need
yeah that's video no the Holy See and UN 2030 agenda the Holy See and UN 2030 agenda yeah but video the info messages we come I say my fellow black men or Africans let us not forget what Gautama Buddha said work out your own salvation do not depend on others from brother Kuju new Obuase and the Abaye Denchafo new Obuase okay hi good afternoon thanks very much for the education do we have a branch at Bibiani if not let me know the nearest one okay Bibiani de Kumase and a ben when to hear na mesna air crawley o TV na sena we be hu Kumase branch na brother Edu na wa frɛ no na fin wa tumi adjo so e fell so. Good afternoon, teachers of our time. Please, I'm in Bechim. Where can I get some of the product to buy? Good work, keep it up. Ike from Bichim. Ike, yes, sorry, over Fred Israeli Consult. 0244 686557 0244 686557. Now, yeah, Joe. So, your messages you to message you in to a video. Please, my name is Ofasam. I'm watching you live from Drobo Mramano, Daman South. Please, your program is very fantastic. I like your program, and I watch every Sunday. Okay, I want to extend. No, okay. When do you? Okay, I think so on any clear. Okay. The person can say, can you extend this program to FM stations in Ghana here? Okay, and also here another question there. Please ask offer for me. If I want to invite him, when can I invite him into my church? Of Assam from Drobo over. Of course, one of them. Defense Minister. You have a video behind Agenda 2030. Maybe you know what I said. Cat for no, ya idimwa. Ya cardinal. Ya appear Texan. Ana oten and canon. Of our dear Menkasa enje. Over. So, Papa, me tell me more about no saying call me benyo.
Yes, in Peter. Petros Roman. The Peter there.
Not just say or no.
Only history of EU no cry no more to yaka say we are free baby.
Say ka we cry come from about cry Kenyan do yes. Yes.
Holy See Catholic Church is behind Agenda 2030.
Yes.
And you know, agencies also United Nations, IMF, World Bank, FAO, ILO, UNESCO, and one more can and then they had the various arms of the international body. One more time is one more globalize Ibiasi. And the Omu Yanon and they say nations lost. Krobia was a typical example. Say the city Tiema. Near where Mra the Tiema. And after the Ensako share Kratas, say a free UN Convention on the rights of the child. In the Amaye, Kuom Hamrano, Yabu. Jeno and the near
yes.
Sa pepe na one more various arms no every near almost obey near ma a bit near integrity a bit more UNESCO and one more for say bailey near ma yes ya de titia ya can count hand more any near cake. The say queen in almost only Vatican it was stronger ties and near this.
Okay. Your next video no the Pope and UN agencies. The Pope and UN agencies. Now the very side video make I say we will be a sabe ete. Everyone say cataract ni bi when so. And I say glaucoma me pacho e bi when ya. But more than say one kasa na say bush ni bi anan po bi a onim ni so bi no. But more than say sorry I will free 0207 782 482. Mrs. Subium ete. Ana said your friend said glaucoma na ene ete say yare mienu se bi wo so ana bi wo di hye bi so ana nyonko bi so a me patwe sorry afre 0207 782 482 na yente te emfama ho 0207 782 482 ete ene glaucoma no ye te ne te e di ama ho ye ko hwe in next video embra we see the Pope and UN agencies ye embra.
I count on the Catholic Church, under your leadership, under your spiritual guidance, to continue to work closely with the United Nations to promote a life of dignity for all. Your Holiness, it is my great honor once again to invite you to grace us with your presence at the United Nations headquarters in New York at your edition of papal visits and be an opportunity for you to speak of your vision for our common future.
Earthring Cousin is the 14th Executive Director of the United Nations World Food Programme, who was ranked as number 45 on the Forbes magazine list of the world's 100 most influential people, also strengthens ties with the papacy. Jose Graziano da Silva is the Director General of the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, greets Pope Francis I at his inauguration ceremony. Guy Ryder is the 10th General of the United Nations International Labour Organization, also strengthened stronger ties with the papacy with his meeting with Pope Francis I. Irina Boskova, Director General of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, better known as UNESCO, is another governing body of the UN that strengthens ties.
abusua nti sɛ wohwɛ videos yi a yɛhwɛ no sisi yi ɛne nsɛm a wɔka na kyɛ sɛ wokɔ United Nations no mu atwotwowura wɔ mu nyinaa no ɔmo nyinaa obi nkasɛ sɛ bi wotafra kyɛ putuo nhyɛ nanso putuo no hyɛ yɛ apɛ na popa di dwo because ɔmo nyinaa no ɛkɔtɛw to papa no right ɔfa yɛntoa so
nti yawe say United Nations no in its final form bibia bottom for real United Nations ebeba abeye 21st century Tower of Babel.
Wow.
Na Tower of Babel no esi a declare bricks in the sea. Ho nyina ebeba ho ebeba abechiriki ma me ehu ade kura.
Ye di sea.
Tower of Babel no ejina ho ma.
Okay.
Na United Nations so Tower of Babel no a obesi no member states the free sustainable development
yes.
Now about the botofa akwa the treaties, agreements, conventions no omo dey ba ba yi yemra e dey ama member nations no a e be me nyina tie the world dictator no a o ba ba be kasa no because the world dictator ba dia with national laws no are nothing. Ono ni mra no be free United Nations as conventions, as agreements, as treaties. Yeah, the aba. No be this.
I say yes, agreement now by part of the word na you.
Enti edu be abi kura specific organ of the arm what would me issue martial law.
Okay.
And the WHO we say by there no one can. COVID-19 by.
Yes.
Oh, we added as a woman. And when we are neighbor, it is a United Nations, a Babel 21st century Tower of Babel. There, here must say a quiet. Now we are calling the entire. Maybe America said UN. A Babel 21st century Tower of Babel. Genesis 10.
Now say woman. Genesis chapter 10. Genesis chapter 10. Verse number
9 and 10.
9 and 10. Okay. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. Wherefore it is said, even as Nimrod the mighty hunter before the Lord. Verse 10. And the beginning of his kingdom was Babel, and Erech, and Akkad, and Kane in the land of Shinar. Mano Asi.
Now, Nimrod asam nieka. Uko scripture mo say he was a great hunter.
Yes.
A deceptive.
Wow.
Acknowledging the universality of paganism. Baby amama kia. Chichi mama.
Genesis 10, 9 and 10 on so or see the name Nimrod comes from the Marad and means
it comes from the word malad, which
yes,
means
and means
he rebelled.
Yes, he rebelled. The expression that he was a mighty one before the Lord can carry a hostile meaning. The word before being sometimes used as meaning against the Lord. The Jewish Encyclopedia says that Nimrod was he who made all the people rebellious against God.
If you can Bible he was a great hunter. And just now kunkuma or no a rebel.
Yes.
Ono leading we are seeing now to rebel against Obabi. Genesis 11.
Genesis chapter 11.
1 to 9.
And the whole earth was of one language and of one speech. And it came to pass, as they journeyed from the east, that they found a plain in the land of Shinar, and they dwelt there. Verse 3. And they said unto another, Go to, let us make brick, and burn them thoroughly. And they had brick for stone, and slime had they for mortar. And they said, Go to, let us build us a city